Hi, I'm Jacy Glover. I'm a dental student here at the University of Oklahoma Health Sciences Center, and I was first a dental assistant and absolutely loved it.
So how did you get into being a dental assistant?
I was a dental assistant because I had always wanted to kind of take that route before going into dental school, but I didn't know exactly how. And when I applied for dental school, I knew I wasn't a super strong candidate, and so I wanted a plan B and a backup. And so I had talked to another dentist here in Norman and asked him if I could, maybe shadow more often or stuff like that, and he realized that I was hinting that I wanted to be a dental assistant, and so he asked me to join his practice, and he trained me on the spot, and I worked as an assistant for 1 year and absolutely, like I said, just loved it.
And when did you first know dentistry was kind of for you?
I realized dentistry was for me when I was in 8th grade and had braces, and of course I wanted to do the orthodontic route, and quickly realized that that's not what I wanted to do. I just wanted to be in dentistry and give people the confidence via their smile or just however I was able to better their lives. And I know that sounds cheesy, but just make their lives just a little sweeter and give them a little more confidence so they can walk out and know that they can conquer the world.
And you and I were talking a minute ago about the value of the assistant. You kind of get it. So how do you plan to kind of bring that into your role as a dentist?
As a dentist, I want my assistants to know that they are cared for and they are loved and they are most of all appreciated. I know that as an assistant myself, there were some days where it was like, oh my gosh, why am I here? He doesn't even care about me. But I know deep down he did, so if he's watching, don't think I'm bad-mouthing you. But I just want my assistants to know that every day that I need them and that they are more valuable than they can ever imagine.
So if a dental assistant wanted to kind of follow your path and get into dental school, what are some tips or advice you might pass along?
A dental assistant getting into dental school is so, you don't realize it, but it's so worthwhile, and it just makes your application so much stronger because you have the experience. You get in there and they know that you know what the instruments look like and how to contact and talk to patients, which is something that they don't necessarily teach you in dental school, but as an assistant you have that knowledge already on how to talk to patients and how to just communicate. And so the best way to go from assistant to dental student is just be confident in your interview and don't be cocky. Don't let them know that, oh, I've done this before, I'm going to be the best dentist ever, but just be confident and know that you have been trained well and that you are a great, valuable asset to the world of dentistry.